around 3,000, 4,000 per month.
In 8 months, we got to the 6-figure mark.
Until now صرت أعمل 4K 4.1K تقريبا.
I'm making between 20 and 30K.
Now I make easily 6 figures a year.
اليوم لهلا الحمد لله 1000 إلا شوي.
اسمي علي كوبايسي و I'm a full-time university student.
Hello, my name is Christine Atiye. I work as marketing. I own a small business and I'm a mom of 2.
Right now, I'm a full-time in e-com. Before e-commerce, I used to only care about spirituality, meditation and yoga. Until my parents told me إنه يا بتركز يا خلاص.
اسمي شربي الحلو. I'm a software developer. I'm also the founder of Travel Lebanon mobile application.
My name is Mohammed Zantout and I am a university student now.
اسمي بركة فيجينيان. أنا تلميذ بالجامعة وبعمل إيكوم.
اسمي توني بعينه وفتحت جنرال ستور بدبي.
أنا فتت على الانجن تقريباً as soon as it launched around 3 years ago.
I joined the engine around May 2025.
I joined beginning 2023.
I joined in 2022 بس كان في سيل عليها.
فتت على الانجن 2 years ago.
أنا فتت على الانجن أول ما وولف نزل الكورس يعني 2022.
فتت بالانجن بال 2023.
I launched my first store after around 6 months of learning the blueprints و the tactics و strategies اللي تعلمتهم أكيد من الانجن.
I launched after 6 months لأنه I was very scared.
My first store launched in 30 July فينا نقول بأوغست يعني 4 months ago.
فتحت ماي ستور يعني من بعد ما أخذت الانجن تقريبا ب 1-2 months.
لك صراحة أنا أول شيء بلشت بشي $500 لماي first store. And I closed this first store with a bit of profit. I started with my new store directly after.
I started in 2025 لأنه ما كان معي وقت وقتها.
خلصت آخر chapter حضرته مرة تانية and I launched directly.
صراحة my favorite part is the community. Besides the community, how supportive everyone is, especially the advisors. يعني you can never mess up لأنه there's always someone you can ask for guidance أو support أو help. فأنه يعني بتريح راسك. There's always a solution that someone is gonna help you with.
I have 2 favorite parts actually. The first one is the mindset because Jad really pushes something out of you and he always lets you think positively about everything, even the risks that you are taking. He makes you believe it. Second, it's the session of Mahdi. The full hour was his positive energy came out of the screen to me. So these were my 2 parts of the engine.
My favorite part بالانجن انه على طول الكورسز او الفيديوز updated. So من اول ما فتت لهلا في كذا updates صاروا. وحلو انه you can contact جاد دغري على ديسكورد. في advisors بردوا عليك اذا عايز شيء. في ويبينارز كل فتره. So it's a good community وبحب البريميوم channel لأنه دايما بينزلوا عليها مثل winning product so بيهينوا شو عليك الادفايزرز الشغل.
Mainly the community. It was unbelievable to meet other people doing the same thing. لأنه I remember I scaled my store at a very high level but I was still alone. I would tell my friends وهيك no one could really relate to it. When I went to the 6-figure event, it was like, whoa, other people like me are doing the same thing, are scaling. It was amazing.
Yes, sure. Because إنه أول شيء البروجرام بيعلمك كل شيء from A to Z. يعني إذا أنت ما في عندك any experience in the e-com يعني بيخليك expert فيه.
أحلى part بالانجن هو الكوميونيتي. You can ask everyone whatever you want. They're always helpful. كمان the course is very good and it's always up to date. So you got all the new strategies and everything. كمان the live meetings they're very important.
صراحة إيه كتير لأنه أنا I started و I was still in تقريباً 11th grade. the environment I was in أبداً ما كان supportive وهالشي. I was doing something that a lot of people aren't. It was a bit challenging. I had to put in a lot of hours. Eventually, basically just be different on the environment that was around me.
I didn't feel the challenge from people close to me. I'm lucky that my family were supportive. but you can feel it in the people around you. They were not supportive. You would expect a like from here, a comment from here, a share from here to initially these things, they make a change. When you see the complete silence, you know that these are people that are not supportive.
It's crazy, Lano. Even when I was making money, and I was making 30, 40K, people were still telling me, شو عم تفكر to stop, to do something real, legit. It was always the case and never stopped.
Yes, to be honest, I faced challenges. وخصوصي كمان من أهلي يعني أنه سنس أنه من الدقة القديمة مثل ما بنقول.
أكيد كان في challenges وعالم ما they didn't see my vision بس I didn't stop. I took the risk and I started.
تعرف أنت كل العائلة usually لاقي وظيفة توظف خليك on the safe side على طول.
صراحة one of the biggest challenges I faced was running the ads. لأنه صراحة it's complicated. But thankfully I reached out. I remember to Ray. I had a call with him. He actually ran me through everything. We set up ads, campaigns. So that was like the biggest challenge I faced at the beginning.
I faced two challenges. The first one was my first product that I got was not a winning product, but I didn't stop there. This is why I changed my idea of a store from a one product store to a general store, at least to keep things going, because I didn't want to stop there. The second challenge was the ads, but eventually I figured it out, not by myself. I reached out to advisors on the Discord channel of Wolfofbey, and they were very supportive and helpful and maybe made me overcome this challenge.
For me, it was mainly lack of believing in myself. بس بلشت, I used to see the screenshots وأقول إنه لا, no way. The problem إنه why not? لأنه I would see people that weren't smarter than me or more skilled, do it and make it. To overcome that limiting belief and why not me? That was the biggest challenge.
أول شيء تنقل البرودكت تبعي تعذبت كتير لأنه ما كنت أعرف على قد أي برودكت، يعني ما كنت عم بقتنع ببرودكت واحد بالأول. والطيران أوقات بياخد وقت يعني ليتلي خاصة. شغلة وجهت أنا أوقات بس يروح الستوك دغري كون جبت مومنتوم ما كنت طالب الستوك قبل بوقت، يعني انطر لآخر لحظة. يعني هيدا أكتر شيء.
The biggest challenge I faced was discipline because أنا بكون أول شيء مثلا motivated فجأة بيوطل الموتيفيشن وإنه بصير مثلا أوكي بصير بدي خلص كيف ما كان خلص الشغل أو إنه أهمله وهالقصص.
The biggest challenge was I couldn't find a winning product when I first started. It took me 5 months to find a winning product. But at first it was starting a bit rough, but then it started going well.
So basically I operate 2 stores, which both in total get me around anywhere to 8K a month.
Currently, this is my highest month. As I mentioned, I started a couple of months ago with a losing product. So this is my highest month. And I remember even Jad once said that this is the month you people have to make it happen. So this is my current month. This is the highest month.
In 8 months, we got to the 6-figure mark.
Until now صرت عامل 4K 4.1K تقريبا.
I'm making between 20 and 30K.
أخدتني شي سنة وشوي to cross 6 figures.
اليوم لهلا الحمد لله 1000 إلا شوي.
My very first order. صراحة قد ما صار جاييني order I can't even remember, but the one thing I remember was the Shopify notification and the ding. It was like the best thing سامعه بحياتي. The feeling, the rush it gives. خلاص it feels like you actually accomplished something you did the hard part.
Honestly, my first order, I even shared it on the Discord channel. I was sleeping. I didn't hear the ching sound of Shopify. I woke up at night and I don't know, I have a habit of looking at my phone to see what time it is. I looked at the phone and I noticed 6 orders from Shopify store, and I couldn't sleep. I was just so pumped up during the night. I couldn't sleep all night. The first thing I did in the morning when I woke up was to share this success on the Discord channel.
I remember I saw the order and I was like, this is real. It's actually like e-commerce is not fake, like it can work. Oh, since then we had like 20,000 orders. So it's cool to see it this way.
الفيرست اوردر كان انا بلشت الاد من عشيه، تاني نهار اجاني اوردر، صوت النوتيفيكيشن تبع شوبيفاي احلى شيء كان بسمعه بحياتي. طلعت لقيت اسم فاميليار، طلع حدا عمل لي فولو على انستا شاف البرودكت حبه فاشترى، و I got some more orders on the same day النهارده. It was a good feeling.
Okay, so my first order صراحة كان إنه مثل a dream، يعني لدرجة إنه مع الأوردر حطيت له gift a perfume، مع إنه ما خص البرفيوم بالشيء اللي كنت عم بيعه.
لك أول أوردر إجاني كان شعور بيسطل، يعني لدرجة قد ما تحمست رحت أنا وصل الأوردر للزلمة، كان قريب على بيتي، أخذت الأوردر دبيته ورحت وصلته.
I can never forget the first order. والله العظيم I can never forget it. It was the first day I launched. بعد شي وقت طلعوا active الكامبينز بعدني لهلا goose bumps. بعدني لهلا ما بنسيها. Literally صرت عم نط بالبيت. حسيت إنه I did the right thing. انتبه مع إنه قطع كل نهار ما أجا ولا أوردر من بعده. بس هيدي الدقة شوبيفاي في شي customized دقات غيرها ولا هي بس وحدة؟ بس وحدة. هيدا الدقة ما بعرف يا أخي بتعطيك هيك أدرينالين، بتعطيك رش رهيبة. بس إجا أول أوردر كانوا رفقاتي عندي صرت نط بالبيت. I can never forget this moment. وهي على طول بحب أسألك، بدي أسألكم إياها بس شفتكم بتتذكروا أول أوردر؟ ما حدا بينسيه. never.
Definitely أنا دايما بنصح كل العالم اللي حوالي وخاصة رفقاتي إذا you wanna do anything يعني كبزنس كستارت there's no better option than the program the engine، لأنه يعني مثل ما بقولوا اسأل مجرب وما تسأل حكيم. I've done it, I've tried it, I've tested it, it works wonders. There's no better community to be in than the engine and the program.
Yes, I would definitely do, and I've already done that. Because the program is not only for people who are already in the e-commerce business or are already in the social media business or marketing. The program teaches everyone everything from A to Z. I didn't know anything about meta ads. It taught me how to run my own. I didn't know how to build a Shopify store. It taught me that although my background is in marketing, it didn't affect that. So yes, definitely 100% I would recommend it to anyone.
If you know nothing about the program will help you save time and it will give you access. And those two are very valuable as a complete beginner. The biggest thing when you're starting is you know nothing and you don't know what you don't know. So it's very useful to have a place where you get information.
Yes, definitely. لأنه أنا شخصيا ما كنت أعرف شيء، يعني ما كنت أعرف كيف نبش على برودكت صح، ما كنت أعرف كيف أحكي سبلاير، كيف نقي سبلاير، different ad strategies، ما كنت أعرف شيء literally. يعني أخذتني from A to Z، علمتني from A to Z الانجن.
اوكي سو ليش الانجن مش حيلا كورس تاني غيره اللي هو مثل ما قلت قبل شوي انه كلايف تايم سبورت، لايف تايم ابديتس، وبضل معك يعني واذا مش جد بيكون معك التيم تاعه الادفايزرز.
أحلى part بالانجن هو الكوميونيتي. You can ask everyone whatever you want. They're always helpful. كمان the course is very good and it's always up to date. You got all the new strategies and everything. كمان the live meetings, they're very important.
It's the best engine program I can recommend for everyone, for anyone. لمين ما بدك. هيلا حدا أنا بيحكيني كيف بلشت هيك بقول لهم عن جد خدوا هيدا الكورس. It's a life changing course.
Never صراحة. دايما هو بيقول لك إنه you need to put in the work. When you put in the work, eventually the sales are gonna come. مثل أي شغلة تانية بدك تحط input وبيطلع لك الoutput. إذا ما في input ما حيكون في output.
no one guaranteed me any sales. It was very clear that I am registering in a program to learn, not to make sales. It's like going to school. You go to school to learn stuff. They don't guarantee you that you're going to sell or become an owner of a shop or anything. So no one guaranteed me, nor Jad, nor the engine students, not the advisors, no one.
He didn't guarantee any sale. I knew, but also I knew that it would always be me. Like, I get the information, but it's me who's applying. It's my responsibility. I knew that from the beginning.
هو قال you have to put in the work. يعني قال لك إنه حعلمك شيء that works, but you have to put in the time and work أكيد.
Wolf didn't guarantee me any sales, but I took the risk and I knew I needed to put in the work. So I already knew that.
ولا مرة حدا وعدني بشيء، لا ما وعدوني بشيء، قالوا لي we're gonna guide you it's a process وانت تمشي فيها step by step. بس لحدا يجي يقول لي you're gonna make your first 10k in a month، ما ولا مرة قالوا لي إياها.
First of all, you're getting a program اللي بضلوا معك lifetime. Let's say انت you got it, you didn't do anything for 2, 3, 4 years. In 4 years حتشوف the strategies that work at this time. يعني it's always gonna be updated. من هلا ل10 سنين أنا ما عملت شيء بعد 10 سنين حشوف what's working now to make money in e-commerce. So this is honestly the biggest point. There's always people that are gonna guide you. يعني إذا بتفكر فيها إذا you really put in the work you can never fail. And failure is not an option لأنه you have all the resources you need in one place and you have direct links لعالم طلع أكتر من 6 figures. يعني عم نحكي فوق 100k فوق المليون كمان 7 figures. تخيل إنه هول العالم عم ينصحوك they're عم يعطوك guidance how to run your store. There's actually no way to fail as you do everything step by step.
To be honest, I've signed up to online courses before the engine program, and it's always theoretical. And we live now in an era where having a personal, like putting a face on something is more important than just reading it. So I was at that time when I was searching for building something for myself. And I saw Jad on Instagram. It was like a sign. And I went in and I looked at the social media pages. I looked at everything that was going on. It looked legit. And I even asked ChatGPT, is Wolfofbey a legit program? It's my right because I'm going to pay for something that I need to know is legit, not a scam. And when I spoke to Jad, when I reached out to Jad, he even sent me a small mini ebook. I think he does that. About finding the winning product. And even the mini ebook was beneficial. It had keys, it had lessons. So if this free mini book was something that was so good, how about a full program? Plus the program is a lifetime program. It doesn't stop. Every month, whenever there's an update, the Andromeda update, Jad was the first one to talk with his students about it. So you're investing in a lifetime school. If you want.
The biggest problem I see in Lebanon, it's like always this idea that it's مش مزبوطة, كذبة, all that stuff. But it is real. I'm an example. All the other students are an example. And the stories you tell yourself, it's not possible هيك. It's just stories. You can do it.
يعني one product يمكن يكون الكوست بير ريزلت كتير واطي، برودكت تاني يكون كوست بير ريزلت كتير عالي، بس المهم واحد ما يحس انه قرف او يستسلم، لانه في الواحد يغير برودكت او يغير كرييتيف، يعني في يغير قصص صغيره يمكن تفرق السيلز كتير، فهيدي شغله انا وجهتها مثلا.
لك صراحه حسيت وولف اوف باي انه وثقت فيه من الاول، من طريقه حكيه وكل شيء اتس اول كلير. وحتى كمان اتس اول لوكالايزد، حسيت انه اتس نوت ثيوريتيكال، يعني عن جد انه اذا بتعمل هيك you will get these results.
To the 7,000 students اللي هلا بالانجن بقول لهم اول فتره رح يصير عندكم مشاكل. Do not lose hope. Believe in your brand, believe in your products, believe in the engine. رح توصلوا. ما تخافوا من شيء، حيلا شيء بيصير معكم open a ticket، في مليون شخص بيساعدكم. وللعالم يلي بعدهم برا وما فاتوا بالانجن، شو بعدكم ناطرين؟ مبسوطين عم تشتغلوا من 8 ل5؟ هلا بعيطوا علي بس انه خلص طفلوا.
صراحه اللي حابب to put in the work ويشتغل على حاله ويأسس حاله I recommend this course to him، لأن بتعلمه كل شيء from A to Z.